Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Why is health important?
Health gives life true quality.
Do you value fitness daily?
Yes, fitness matters greatly.
What motivates your healthy habits?
My future motivates me.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I exercise daily.
How do you stay consistent?
I follow strict routines.
What foods do you avoid?
I avoid sugary snacks.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I drink enough.
How many hours do you sleep?
I sleep 8 hours.
Do you manage stress well?
Yes, I manage stress.
Why choose healthy living?
Healthy living builds strength.
What time do you wake?
I wake at 6.
Do you stretch each morning?
Yes, I stretch daily.
Do you eat breakfast daily?
Yes, always eat breakfast.
What is your favorite fruit?
I love fresh apples.
Do you prefer home meals?
Yes, home meals daily.
How often do you walk?
I walk every evening.
Do you lift weights?
Yes, I lift weights.
Do you practice yoga?
Yes, I practice yoga.
How do you relax?
I relax with music.
Do you avoid junk food?
Yes, junk food avoided.
Do you count calories?
Sometimes, I count calories.
Do you eat vegetables daily?
Yes, vegetables every day.
What vegetables do you like?
I like broccoli, spinach.
Do you cook your meals?
Yes, I cook daily.
How often do you snack?
I snack twice daily.
Do you drink soda?
No, I avoid soda.
Do you read nutrition labels?
Yes, always read labels.
How much protein daily?
I eat moderate protein.
Do you take vitamins?
Yes, daily multivitamins.
Do you meditate regularly?
Yes, meditation every morning.
Do you track workouts?
Yes, I track workouts.
How long are workouts?
About 45 minutes.
Do you run outside?
Yes, I run outside.
Do you enjoy cycling?
Yes, I enjoy cycling.
Do you swim often?
Sometimes, I swim weekly.
What keeps you disciplined?
Strong goals keep discipline.
Do you set fitness goals?
Yes, clear fitness goals.
Do you meal prep weekly?
Yes, meal prep Sunday.
Do you avoid late meals?
Yes, avoid late meals.
How often do you cheat?
Rarely, once monthly cheat.
Do you eat fast food?
No, fast food rarely.
Do you prefer natural foods?
Yes, natural foods preferred.
How do you stay hydrated?
I carry water bottle.
Do you drink green tea?
Yes, daily green tea.
Do you eat whole grains?
Yes, whole grains daily.
Do you limit sugar intake?
Yes, sugar strictly limited.
How do you boost energy?
Exercise boosts my energy.
Do you track your steps?
Yes, daily step tracking.
Do you stretch after workouts?
Yes, stretching always after.
How do you prevent injuries?
Proper form prevents injuries.
Do you eat balanced meals?
Yes, balanced meals daily.
Do you avoid processed snacks?
Yes, processed snacks avoided.
How do you stay focused?
I meditate for focus.
Do you eat lean protein?
Yes, lean protein daily.
Do you practice portion control?
Yes, control portion sizes.
Do you eat nuts daily?
Yes, almonds and walnuts.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, 1 cup daily.
How often do you rest?
I rest once weekly.
Do you sleep early?
Yes, sleep before 10.
Do you wake refreshed?
Yes, I wake refreshed.
Do you follow routines?
Yes, strict daily routines.
Do you avoid overeating?
Yes, avoid overeating always.
Do you enjoy healthy smoothies?
Yes, healthy smoothies daily.
What fruits do you blend?
I blend berries, bananas.
Do you eat oatmeal?
Yes, oatmeal for breakfast.
Do you practice mindful eating?
Yes, mindful eating practiced.
How do you reduce stress?
Deep breathing reduces stress.
Do you spend time outdoors?
Yes, outdoor walks daily.
Do you limit screen time?
Yes, limited screen time.
Do you read daily?
Yes, I read daily.
Do you stay socially active?
Yes, socially active weekly.
Do you maintain positivity?
Yes, positivity maintained daily.
Do you breathe deeply?
Yes, deep breathing exercises.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, hiking on weekends.
Do you join fitness groups?
Yes, local fitness groups.
Do you eat before workouts?
S, light snack before.
Do you stretch before workouts?
Yes, stretch before workouts.
How do you stay motivated?
Clear goals keep motivated.
Do you avoid smoking?
Yes, never smoke.
Do you avoid alcohol?
Yes, avoid alcohol completely.
Do you drink herbal tea?
Yes, herbal tea evenings.
Do you eat dairy?
Yes, moderate dairy intake.
Do you choose low fat?
Yes, choose low fat.
Do you plan meals?
Yes, weekly meal planning.
Do you grocery shop weekly?
Yes, shop every Sunday.
Do you cook healthy recipes?
Yes, cook healthy recipes.
Do you use less salt?
Yes, use less salt.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, fish twice weekly.
Do you prefer grilled food?
Yes, grilled food preferred.
Do you avoid fried food?
Yes, avoid fried food.
Do you eat beans?
Yes, beans regularly eaten.
Do you eat eggs?
Yes, eggs for breakfast.
Do you eat brown rice?
Yes, brown rice daily.
Do you avoid white bread?
Yes, avoid white bread.
Do you drink fresh juice?
Yes, fresh juice occasionally.
Do you stretch nightly?
Yes, stretch before bed.
Do you journal daily?
Yes, journal every night.
Do you practice gratitude?
Yes, practice gratitude daily.
Do you enjoy nature walks?
Yes, enjoy nature walks.
Do you avoid stress eating?
Yes, avoid stress eating.
Do you keep healthy snacks?
Yes, keep healthy snacks.
Do you eat at home?
Yes, mostly eat home.
Do you wash vegetables?
Yes, wash vegetables thoroughly.
Do you eat fresh salads?
Yes, fresh salads daily.
Do you eat fruit daily?
Yes, fruit every day.
Do you avoid sugary drinks?
Yes, sugary drinks avoided.
Do you cook with olive oil?
Yes, olive oil cooking.
Do you eat chicken?
Yes, lean chicken weekly.
Do you check health reports?
Yes, check reports yearly.
Do you visit doctors yearly?
Yes, doctor visits yearly.
Do you monitor blood pressure?
Yes, monitor regularly.
Do you check weight weekly?
Yes, weekly weight checks.
Do you set reminders?
Yes, set daily reminders.
Do you warm up properly?
Yes, warm up properly.
Do you cool down slowly?
Yes, cool down slowly.
Do you rest sore muscles?
Yes, rest sore muscles.
Do you eat healthy desserts?
Yes, healthy desserts occasionally.
Do you enjoy dark chocolate?
Yes, dark chocolate sometimes.
Do you eat seeds?
Yes, chia and flax seeds.
Do you eat yogurt?
Yes, yogurt daily.
Do you eat spinach?
Yes, spinach regularly eaten.
Do you eat carrots?
Yes, carrots for snacks.
Do you eat apples?
Yes, apples daily eaten.
Do you eat bananas?
Yes, bananas frequently eaten.
Do you drink lemon water?
Yes, lemon water mornings.
Do you avoid late snacks?
Yes, avoid late snacks.
Do you eat slowly?
Yes, eat slowly always.
Do you chew thoroughly?
Yes, chew thoroughly always.
Do you avoid distractions eating?
Yes, avoid eating distractions.
Do you stay active weekends?
Yes, active every weekend.
Do you take rest days?
Yes, take rest days.
Do you lift heavy weights?
Sometimes, moderate heavy lifting.
Do you practice balance training?
Yes, balance training weekly.
Do you stretch hamstrings?
Yes, stretch hamstrings daily.
Do you train core muscles?
Yes, strong core training.
Do you plank daily?
Yes, plank every day.
Do you do push-ups?
Yes, push-ups daily practice.
Do you do squats?
Yes, squats regularly performed.
Do you practice breathing exercises?
Yes, breathing exercises daily.
Do you keep positive mindset?
Yes, positive mindset maintained.
Do you encourage others?
Yes, encourage others often.
Do you inspire friends?
Yes, inspire friends regularly.
Do you share healthy tips?
Yes, share healthy tips.
Do you avoid negativity?
Yes, avoid negativity always.
Do you smile often?
Yes, smile every day.
Do you laugh daily?
Yes, laugh with friends.
Do you forgive quickly?
Yes, forgive quickly always.
Do you stay grateful?
Yes, stay grateful daily.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, drink plenty water.
Do you refill bottles?
Yes, refill bottles regularly.
Do you carry water?
Yes, always carry water.
Do you avoid dehydration?
Yes, avoid dehydration always.
Do you eat balanced breakfast?
Yes, balanced breakfast daily.
Do you prefer protein breakfast?
Yes, protein-rich breakfast.
Do you avoid skipping meals?
Yes, never skip meals.
Do you snack wisely?
Yes, snack wisely always.
Do you track calories?
Yes, track calories sometimes.
Do you check ingredients?
Yes, check ingredients carefully.
Do you reduce screen time?
Yes, reduce screen time.
Do you sleep without devices?
Yes, sleep without devices.
Do you keep bedroom dark?
Yes, keep bedroom dark.
Do you relax before bed?
Yes, relax before bed.
Do you follow sleep schedule?
Yes, follow sleep schedule.
Do you wake naturally?
Yes, wake naturally often.
Do you stretch mornings?
Yes, stretch every morning.
Do you breathe fresh air?
Yes, breathe fresh air.
Do you drink morning water?
Yes, drink morning water.
Do you eat clean foods?
Yes, eat clean foods.
Do you avoid artificial flavors?
Yes, avoid artificial flavors.
Do you eat organic foods?
Sometimes, choose organic foods.
Do you read health books?
Yes, read health books.
Do you watch fitness videos?
Yes, watch fitness videos.
Do you follow trainers?
Yes, follow online trainers.
Do you set weekly goals?
Yes, set weekly goals.
Do you reward progress?
Yes, reward small progress.
Do you stay consistent?
Yes, stay consistent always.
Do you love healthy living?
Yes, love healthy living.
Do you enjoy workouts?
Yes, enjoy workouts daily.
Do you practice discipline?
Yes, practice discipline daily.
Do you stay patient?
Yes, stay patient always.
Do you track improvements?
Yes, track improvements monthly.
Do you celebrate milestones?
Yes, celebrate small milestones.
Do you rest properly?
Yes, rest properly always.
Do you manage time well?
Yes, manage time well.
Do you avoid procrastination?
Yes, avoid procrastination daily.
Do you stay organized?
Yes, stay organized always.
Do you eat nutritious meals?
Yes, nutritious meals daily.
Do you stay optimistic?
Yes, stay optimistic daily.
Do you inspire family?
Yes, inspire family members.
Do you maintain routine?
Yes, maintain daily routine.
Do you avoid laziness?
Yes, avoid laziness always.
Do you plan workouts?
Yes, plan workouts weekly.
Do you track water intake?
Yes, track water intake.
Do you eat colorful foods?
Yes, eat colorful foods.
Do you love vegetables?
Yes, love vegetables daily.
Do you enjoy healthy lifestyle?
Yes, enjoy healthy lifestyle.
Do you stay committed?
Yes, stay committed always.